Please refrain from unauthorized publicity, and please subscribe to this program. Pleasure to see you again. Tonight we're going to draw a baku, otherwise known as the Charming Tribe Dream Eater. This tapir has the ability to breathe, exhale sleep smoke from the nose, and places her victims unconscious. Afterwards, she sucks up their sleep thoughts, and, well, she observes what kind of visions they're having, and then she eats them. That's quite interesting to watch, don't you think? When I was thinking about this yokai, I was on my way to the Titanosaur exhibition at the Museum of Natural History. That was days ago, and, well, I've had, well, one time after I saw this episode involving Baku, I went to the Museum of Natural History and saw the Titanosaur. The Titanosaur was the newest exhibition back in the old days. Back in the old days, well, they used to have a Barosaurus model until they discovered the Titanosaur fossils at the Museum of Natural History. And, well, they replaced the model with the skeleton. It's the latest attraction. And, well, to be clear, I've always had a liking for the Titanosaur skeleton ever since every time I go there. And, well, I hope to see that skeleton again real soon. I'll bring back some footage on it if you like. That is how you draw Baku. Stegosaur, see you later. Good night.